People, in general, have no idea how much they are missing out by not looking at ways to gain more knowledge on all types of stuff. Warren Buffett once said, which is 100% true, the more we learn, the more we earn. Knowledge is everything in this world, it is pure power. If you can learn something new every single day, then you're actually improving every day of your life without actually being aware of it. It's true that new learning is what keeps our brains healthy and alive. And this is where books come into play. Reading at least a full hour a day will change your life completely. You'll start to look at things differently. If you don't know, there are about 130 million books in the world that Google has counted in total. And if you knew how much your life will change by reading just a single book on a daily basis, you'll start reading every single day for the rest of your life as well. In fact, that's the secret of billionaires, they read a lot. Now I personally used to hate reading books, but then when I found out about the law of attraction and started searching up to read self-educated self-discovery books on all about it, that's when I took full control of my life and made it better and better by the day to be where I am today. Therefore, let's talk about how and why is knowledge so powerful in every single person's life. The word knowledge has the no word in it as to know something or someone is truly a blessing. According to dictionary, the word knowledge means awareness, familiarity, or understanding of something or someone by facts, information, skills, or gain experience or education. And when you have knowledge of something or someone, you're unique in your own way. Someone could know more than you, but they probably don't know something that you know. Now my knowledge did not come straight from books, but from experiences, wisdom as well, which made me a very wise spiritual being about life as a whole. Yet, of course, I do look for new ways to learn every day because there will never be enough since we can always learn more and more than ever. Therefore, I am very grateful to have the knowledge, experiences, wisdom that I have gained over the course of many years, and for this reason, I can pass it on to you and to many others out there. A lot of people are not aware that they can also get knowledge for free at zero costs, which means you don't have to pay or go to college, university to learn the secrets of life to succeed. In fact, schools and colleges don't teach you anything that you really need to know in terms of life, like how to be happy, how to be wealthy, how to live in peace, how to achieve whatever you want in life, how to find your life purposes, how to file your taxes, how to create a business, or none of that. Which the most successful and wealthiest people in this world did with school and got themselves self-educated through experiences, books, mentors, or the internet. That's exactly what happened to me. You know, Elon Musk once said, I didn't go to Harvard, but the people that work for me did. Self-educated is much more powerful than a college degree because if you're self-educated, you can build anything and become very successful and wealthy at the same time. But with a college degree, you still have to work for someone else and most likely will not work for yourself or build any real business. Basically, a college degree is not all that you need, but being self-educated is everything that you need. So the true way to get real knowledge and wisdom is through self-education. If you were to start a new business but you have no knowledge of it, then how will your business be successful if you don't know what you're doing? There is no way unless you focus on it and start learning to gain knowledge and take the steps forward. Other than that, you can have the best employees, but if the administration